MCU coatings cover the globe. This interactive presentation is designed to give you a step-by-step guide to MCU coatings, products, and technology. In addition, this presentation will explain the dramatic advantages of MCU coatings. MCU coatings do indeed cover the globe. These single-component moisture-cure urethane coatings have superior performance worldwide, not only in temperature climates, but in extreme environments with temperatures as low as -12 degrees centigrade and humidity as high as 99%. Further, these coatings offer better corrosion resistance, no pot life, no mixing, perfect recoatability, no dew point restrictions, the ability to be applied in humidities to 99% and temperatures as low as -12 degrees centigrade. Longer coating life. Faster cure time. In short, these coatings will solve your coating problems. Get the MCU advantage today. Advantage MCU. MCU Coatings manufactures moisture-cure urethanes and is dedicated to this technology. As you will see, these coatings solve all the application problems found in two-part epoxy, urethane, and inorganic coatings and still give far better corrosion resistance. Take a look at MCU Coatings' single-component moisture-cure urethanes compared to plural-component coatings. MCU urethanes have no pot life limitations, require no catalyzation or mixing. Two-component urethanes and epoxies have short pot life and must be pre-blended. MCU coatings can be applied in humidities of 6 to 99%. Plural component epoxies and urethane coatings cannot be applied above 80 to 85% relative humidity. Painting in high humidity tropical areas or foggy cold climates is simple with MCU coatings. With MCU Coatings' Quick Cure Accelerator, cure times between coats are as short as 20 minutes. With Quick Cure, a 3-coat system can be applied in as little as 2 hours. MCU coatings have no dew point restrictions. All other high-performance coatings are unusable and have to sit on the shelf when the surface is within 3 degrees centigrade of the dew point. Nearly every outdoor painting project is delayed by this restriction. MCU coatings can be applied in temperatures as low as -12 degrees centigrade. Generally, all conventional high-performance coatings are restricted to application temperatures above 5 to 10 degrees centigrade. MCU coatings are recommended for immersion and can be immersed or subject to fog, rain, or condensate within 30 minutes of application. Two-component urethanes are not recommended for immersion, and all conventional epoxies require 2 to 6 days cure before immersion. In cold weather, epoxies can require weeks. MCU coatings are very tolerant of damp surfaces, including gas pipelines and green concrete. Plural component epoxies and urethanes are not. In addition, MCU Coatings' aliphatic moisture cure top coats are the best of all urethanes for abrasion and chemical resistance, and like two-part aliphatic urethanes, have excellent UV resistance. The MCU Coatings' zinc primers offer the best all-around performance of all zinc-rich primers. Unlike their inorganic counterparts, MCU Coatings' zinc primers' unique properties allow their use on poorly prepared surfaces, a dramatic and significant innovation. Only MCU Coatings can resist ASTM salt spray testing for over 20,000 hours. After 3 years in the salt spray test, MCU Coatings still performed great, while the best conventional coating fails in only months. There is no question MCU coating systems are the most durable and corrosion resistant ever introduced. MCU Coatings' zinc systems outperform the industry's best organic or epoxy zinc systems when tested in the lab or in the field. These performance and application advantages, combined with the dramatically faster cure times in any kind of weather, make MCU Coatings the most popular and innovative products anywhere in the world. Learn more about MCU Coatings, the fastest growing company in our industry. MCU Coatings manufactures only single-component moisture cure urethanes because it is only with this technology that the application and performance advantages are so clear. Here is the basic chemical reaction. Just as with two-component urethanes, we start with an isocyanate resin. But instead of reacting this resin with a typical acrylic or polyester, it reacts with itself. Catalyzed by a few molecules of water, it reacts to form carbamic acid. This rapidly decomposes to an amine which reacts with another urethane molecule. This reaction, once started, continues rapidly, without regard for temperature, to form a more chemically resistant and durable coating than those derived from two-component urethanes. These reacted polyurethanes, or more correctly, polyuries, are extremely different from two-component urethanes. These coatings perform perfectly in immersion and even cure underwater. Two-component urethanes are not recommended for immersion, and in fact cannot cure in the presence of water or high humidity. This technology is very complex and can be more troublesome to manufacture than epoxy or two-part polyurethanes. MCU Coatings is dedicated entirely to moisture control coatings. We make it work every time. Everyone wins with MCU Coatings, contractors and owners. MCU Coatings satisfies both government and private owners by giving them corrosion resistance and coating life that is far superior to any coating in the world today. Owners will also be amazed by the quickest completion time and shortest downtime ever offered. Applicators, MCU Coatings not only eliminate catalyzation, induction time, and pot life concerns, they also eliminate humidity, dew point, and low temperature restrictions and still provide a faster cure. This removes delays and allows consistent production instead of wasting time and waiting for the weather to change. MCU Coatings technology means quicker completions and allows a longer painting season in cold climates or in tropical humidities. Engineers and architects, the results expected are the results received. With MCU Coatings, weather-related delays and premature failures are removed. Failures due to poor surface preparation are minimized. Our MCU Coatings are the most surface-tolerant of all coatings, including our MCU zinc primers. And our top coats offer the convenience and performance of moisture cure technology with the gloss and color resistance of the best urethanes. Some of the world's most impressive megastructures have chosen MCU coatings to protect against corrosion. Join the MCU revolution.